We gathered here today to award Professor H.E Bosco, who has been dubbed as the champion of this partnership, to the rank and title of the Knight in the Order of the Palmes Académiques in France. And I'd just like to recall what is this order, perhaps that you all understand what is this about. The Palmes Académiques is one of the oldest national order of the French Republic. It was originally established in 1808, when ABC was talking about history, by Emperor Napoleon I to honor eminent members of the University of Paris. But it can also be conferred to non-French for exceptional services in teaching or research, or for having supported linkages with the French academy. And that's why we're here today. Professor H.E Bosco, you are an eminent member of the scientific community here in Nairobi and a major actor of the France-Kenya partnership and cooperation in the field of engineering and technology. You're born in Rwanda, but you came to Kenya to pursue your master's degree in medical engineering, and I can see you have become truly a Kenyan, as I see your fellow colleagues from the university, and you've been adopted. And you said to me you want to give back to Kenya, who has given to you also. You went to South Korea, I think you mentioned that, for your PhD. And you came back here in Kenya in 2013, just right when the DeKUT was established as a university, I understand. And you were a senior lecturer in Mechatronics engineering. Since then, you have been active both in research and in the academia. You published a long list of scientific papers, and you set up new training programs in engineering. You are part of a team, like many of your colleagues who are here today and who I think said very nice words about what you said. And who under the leadership, it has been mentioned, of former Vice Chancellor Professor Guérin, transformed a small college of 500 students into a vibrant, full-fledged university. You have been instrumental in creating linkages with the industry, especially Siemens in Mechatronics. I think we visited the center. It's truly impressive. It's truly impressive that those equipments that were donated 10 years ago are still in very good use and are providing a very interesting platform for training for students. And you successfully, and I think I like the term champion, you championed the partnership with the various French academic institutions. And I think we recognize your personal, your individual efforts, but also your ability to drive this collectively within the university, because I think that's what a champion is about. It's just not scoring the goal alone. It's just making the team pass you the ball that you can score. So I think that is truly recognized. And thanks to you, since 2018, DeKUT University of Technology can offer a double master's degree in mechatronics with the University of Burgundy and Franche-Comté. Some of the students who graduate from this double degree have been able, as has been said, to pursue PhD in France. You also successfully proposed cooperation agreement with the École nationale d'ingénieurs de Tarbes, now the University of Technology of Tarbes, Occitanie-Pyrénées, and the Institut Polytechnique of Toulouse in south of France. I think our two young students come from Toulouse. One of your students will graduate as first student of his class. New mobility programs have been set up, it has been said, with the CESI School of Engineering, and I understand that two students from CESI are right now in here. Yes, you're here, thank you to you. Those exchanges of students from Kenya to France, but also from France to Kenya, is of paramount importance if you want to lay a foundation of a long-lasting mutual benefiting relationship between Kenya and France, but I'm very confident that the foundation are already laid out, and as you said, when ABC, we can build on this very solid partnership and expand it, and as France, tout côté, we are ready. Thank you. And you're right, these young people will link also our two countries, not only in the field of academia and research, but also as a society, and will foster mutual understanding. And this is a priority also in linking our youth from Africa and from France. I want to say here about France, 10% of the French population is of African origin, so Africa is something special for us, and we want to foster those exchanges. And engineering is a key priority of the scientific and academic cooperation between Kenya and France. So for all those reasons, the Minister of Education in France, Prof. H.E Bosco, has considered that you are eligible to be elevated to the rank and title of a knight in the order of the Palmes Académiques.
I am the one who is wearing this title, but definitely it should be one for you, because if I didn't get a student to accept to go to France, if I didn't get support from university management, I could not have achieved this. So this title I'm the one to wear it, but I remember Dorothy, the first invitation I came to your office to invite Professor Nikki to come and start discussion. Mr. Julius, you made this to happen. Everybody, Professor Mushiru, have been together all the way trying double degree here and there. So I can say thank you so much, Your Excellency, for looking at this whole community of the Kimali, and you choose me to get this award. Humble, and I really, with all my heart and on behalf of my family, I really appreciate my children at school. They should have come here and see what they, because always I tell them you have to achieve more than what your dad have achieved. That is what you keep telling your children. Thank you so much.
Africa is a good market for the future, and also good consumer, good producer. So a strong Africa will become an important asset to the world. So, and that's why I believe your strategy here, even as an ambassador, is to create strong partnership with the future. Because if you do not connect with Africa, you lose out on the future. So the future is here. And if you're working with us, you're already working with the future. That is also good for your country. Is that good, Your Excellency? So thanks a lot. And I want to appreciate the champion of this collaboration, Professor H.E Bosco. We've seen the many good he's doing. The collaboration is also beyond engineering. We also have computer science and IT, and I have seen the Associate Dean, Dr. Jane. You're somewhere. Yes, so I'm looking for you on this side. I know we also have an exchange program with France. Yes. How many people have trained in France in computer science IT? 5 PhDs. 5 PhDs. Can you give us a nice hand clap? So you see 7 PhDs, 5 PhDs. It's quite a lot of exchange, a lot of collaborations, and we are extending this also more to the French people. And I'm happy that we have also 2 students here at bachelor's, and 2 more coming. We had another group here again, and DeKUT provides a very nice landing ground for the French professors, French scholars, researchers, and students to come and share experiences, work with the people, work on projects, create partnerships, create cultural exchange, and this will go along in cementing our already good relationship. Because my philosophy is, if you have a good relationship, you can only make it better. And it is through this exchange, this visit, that we are making it even much better. Even your visit here to DeKUT, Your Excellency, is a good step of strengthening